Hi everyone, I'm Yogi Cass. Thank you for joining me today. Today we're doing eagle pose, that is also called Gurudasana. With this asana, we are balancing the posture that builds strength, focus, calm from the inside out. So begin in the mountain pose with your feet grounded and your spine tall. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, shift your weight into your right foot. Lift your leg up and cross it over to your other leg. And if you can, hook your foot behind the other calf. If not, then keep the toes tapping the floor. Both options are absolutely fine here. Extend your arms forward, then cross your right arm underneath your left. And bend the elbows and bring the palms or backs of the hands together. And lift the elbows gently while keeping your shoulders relaxed. On the physical level, we're building strength in the ankles, calves, quads, and glutes, and it is absolutely essential for our stability and mobility. We are also opening up the upper back and the shoulders. This is very good for easing any tension from this part of our body. We are also enhancing hip mobility. So the leg wrap targets the outer hips and glutes, and this helps improve hip mobility, and it also releases tightness. We are improving our circulation, and overall we're building this calm and mindful movement which brings us to the present moment. So just deep breaths here. The deeper you breathe, the more you feel balanced and the more you can focus. And all of this is result of naturally calm mind. So now slowly unwind your arms, unwrap your legs and return to mountain pose. And now just shake out the body and notice the spaciousness and the warmth. This pose is a powerful pose for building balance, strength, and clarity. Practice this often to open up the upper back, strengthen your legs, and also to center your mind. And I thank you for practicing with me today. Lots of love. Bye.